everyone, today I am going to speak about invention of washing machine. The first automatic washing machine was introduced in 1937. Previously, people used to clean clothes by rubbing them on rocks. The Romans had invented a crude soap which was made of ash and animal fat. James King and Hamilton Smith were the early inventors of washing machine. The machine has brought in improvement in the position of women in the society. 3 cheers for the inventors of washing machine.